Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi A4 B8 rear bumper. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a T25 Torx driver and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by opening your trunk and locating the two T25 Torx screws that hold each taillight in place. Once these screws are removed, gently pull each taillight straight back towards you to release them from their clips. This initial step provides access to further mounting points. Next, move to the rear wheel arches. You'll find three T25 Torx screws on each side that secure the wheel arch liner. Remove these screws, then carefully pull back the liner to reveal additional fasteners. Behind each liner, there are 10 mm bolts that need to be unfastened. Taking your time here will prevent any damage to the plastic liners or the paintwork. Now, let's address the underside of the bumper. You'll find two T25 Torx screws positioned centrally beneath the bumper. Remove these, then look for two 10 mm bolts on each side, further towards the wheel wells. Once all these fasteners are out, the bumper is primarily held by clips. Carefully pull the bumper outwards, starting from the sides, to disengage it from the vehicle's mounting points. To reinstall, simply reverse the process. Carefully align the bumper's clips with their corresponding slots on the car body and push firmly until it clicks into place. Then, reattach all the 10 mm bolts and T25 Torx screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug. Double-check all connections for a secure fit. For more helpful tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, please check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.